The warning saying battery charging failure, stop safely in a Volvo vehicle means that the 12-volt battery doesn't get proper charging from the alternator. This warning usually means there are issues with the alternator or drive belt. In older vehicles, let's say pre-2019, there was a voltage regulator that was a very common culprit of such messages. But in new models, Volvo uses ECU for this function, so it's either the alternator or the broken belt that you can see under the hood and check on the roadside. Also, if the tensioner in the drive belt is completely worn out, the belt may slip and not rotate the alternator, which will lead to an intermediate warning battery charging failure. Checking the alternator is not that easy, but not impossible. You will need to measure the voltage on the battery terminals when the car is off. It should be something above 12.5 volts for a healthy battery. Then you need to start the car and immediately measure the voltage on the battery terminals. If the car has been stationary for several hours, the voltage must go over 14 volts gradually to charge the battery. If this doesn't happen, the alternator isn't working properly. Also, in some rare cases, the 12-volt batteries, both main and auxiliary, may be the culprits of this message. When the batteries are very low and old, they may not be getting charged properly, and the computers in your car may register this. So it makes sense to load test those batteries prior to paying for any expensive repairs.